Noswaith dda a chroeso. Welcome to the FAW Cup Draw Show, and it's a beautiful night under the lights here at the Bont, home of Penydarren BGC, and we are here to see them take on Trey Thomas Bluebirds in round 3 of the JD Welsh Cup. It's a huge tie for both sides, so let's go meet them. So Kerry, big clash today against Trey Thomas in the JD Welsh Cup. How are you feeling?
Yeah, good. Nervous a couple of days leading up to the game, but now we're here. Yeah, all good. It's a good tie for our level because the East and West are both represented, so it's going to be somebody in the last 16 from our level, which is good for our leagues. But it's the best chance of getting through. We always aim to get this far with the hope to get in one of the big guys, so one of us got to win today to pick somebody big out.
And, a home match tonight, how important is that for you?
Oh, massive. We get a good following when we have big games anyway. We've gone away and taken a couple of busfuls, but I expect a good few hundred here tonight.
Can you please tell me a little bit about the history of Trey Thomas Bluebirds in the Welsh Cup? Do you know much about how far you've gone in the past?
Yeah, I've only been at the club for 3 years, so my knowledge of the history in terms of actually presence and being present is limited. But as far as I'm aware, speaking to people that have been at the club for a long time, this is the furthest we've ever reached. So it's a great occasion for the football club. I think it's great for the club, great for the community, great for all the people involved. Our aim has always been this season to challenge for promotion, to try and reach Tier 2, which we've got certification for and licence for. So that remains our main objective. But I mean, the FAW Welsh Cup's a prestigious event. It's just great to be part of, and great to be part of, nights like tonight. So, this is huge for us, and we would love to make it into the last 16. And absolutely phenomenal achievement if we can manage that today.
Congratulations, you're now through to the 4th round, the final 16 of the JD Welsh Cup. How are you feeling?
Oh, over the moon. I know it doesn't feel like everybody's draining ours. It was a real tight. Nobody deserved to lose our game, but thankfully we got the goal that seen us through.
And what an amazing turnout as well for the club. How much does it mean to you guys and now to the club, to all the fans over here as well?
Oh, they love a night under the lights up here. When we have a Friday game under the lights, they turn up the odd, so yeah, they're great, fair play.
And what are you hoping for the next round now? Who would you fancy facing?
I don't want to name anyone, but you'd want somebody from the Welsh Prem, or just have a nice big day out for the boys, or get somebody here, bring one of them here. We got a great facility, yeah, so it'd be nice to see one of the big boys come here.
Well, congratulations once again. We're about to find out who exactly you'll be facing, so let's head over to FAW HQ for the draw.
Croeso and welcome to today's JD Welsh Cup last 16 draw. Today we're in Tylerstown Welfare Hall, where last week Rob Page confirmed his squad to head to the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. As Rob Page and his squad prepare to jet off to the other side of the world for one of the most prestigious tournaments in world football, we're here today to conduct the draw for Wales' most prestigious cup competition. I'm today joined by Kieran O'Connor, former president of the FAW and current member of the National Cup Board, who will adjudicate today's draw. It was an exciting weekend of JD Welsh Cup action. We had current champions TNS defeating Carnarvon Town on Friday night. We had Tier 4 and Tier 5 sides Pill and Hakin United vying for a place in the next round, and we had some big attendances across the board. So without further ado, let's get started with the draw. first out of the hat today we have Guilsfield. And travelling to face Guilsfield will be GD coming north side, Holywell Town. There'll be a home fixture for Cwmbran Celtic. They defeated Carmarthen Town on the weekend. To face Cwmbran will be Penydarren Boys and Girls Club, who are now the lowest ranked side left in the competition. There'll be a home tie for Gresford Athletic. And Gresford will face Penybont. Next up, we have Britain Ferry Llansawel. They were 4-0 winners over Mould Alexandra on the weekend. And facing Britain Ferry at the Old Road will be Buckley Town. Llanelli Town. They came back to defeat Kevin Druids on the weekend. In a thrilling fixture at the Rock. And travelling to Stebeneath will be Connors Quay Nomads. Current champions, the New Saints. And they will face Newtown. An all JD Cymru Premier clash in the next round. Down to the last two ties. Be a home fixture for Pontardawe Town. They overcame Pill on the weekend. And Pontardawe will face Airbus. They came back to defeat Trevelyan on the weekend. Down to the final tie in the last 16. Bala Town. And to face Bala Town at Maes Tegid will be Pontypridd United, who defeated Ruthin Town on the weekend. And that concludes today's JD Welsh Cup last 16 draw. All ties will be played on the weekend of the 14th of January. Good luck to all teams remaining in the competition.